My followers are earning over $45 every single day on PrizeRebel. That's over $1,300 per month combined. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how much they're making, show you real numbers as proof, and give you a simple guide to get started earning yourself too. In case you don't know, my name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and PrizeRebel is one of the older and the most consistent get paid to sites out there, and it's actually one of the very first I joined when I started looking for ways to make extra money online more than 8 years ago. And after testing hundreds of sites, PrizeRebel is actually still one of my favorites and one I personally use and recommend. But instead of just showing how much I earn, I want to focus on how much you, my followers, are earning every day, and I'll walk you through real earnings data, explain how it works, and share practical tips you can use to start earning even if you are just starting out. So I have now logged into my PrizeRebel account, and let me just make it clear that you can join it from basically all countries, and it is a get paid to site that is of course 100% free to join. So let me start by going over how you can earn here. I will quickly give you a guide about that, and then we'll go over these earning proofs so you can see how much my followers are earning here. And then after that, I'll also give you some tips about how you can earn the most. But it is a get paid to site, so there are different ways to earn. For example, surveys, you can come here and find them. And there are quite a lot of surveys. How it always is, how many there are, how much they pay will vary depending on the country you live in. And you can see there are different providers, so make sure to also pay attention to that, because if there are not a lot, for example here for you, then there might be in one of these other providers. So survey is definitely a great way to earn here, and the surveys here pay above average compared to most other get paid to site in my experience. And then you can go to the offer walls and you can find all these different paid offer walls. This is where you can find games you can get paid to play on your phone, on your computer. You can watch videos to earn, you can download different apps, you can sign up for free trials. You just go here, you click a specific offer, read the exact conditions so you know exactly how long it takes, what it requires of you, and then you can earn some really nice extra money that way. So these are the two main ways to earn here on PrizeRebel. It also does have some free contests you can participate in and win some extra great rewards. We'll just get back to them a little bit later. I also here want to show you the members level here, because that's also important to be aware of, that when you first start, you start as a so-called bronze member, and you can see then there are different benefits. So you just need to earn a certain amount of points and then you will move up. You can see I am diamond right now, so that means that, for example, the referral percentage, that means the percentage you will earn if you invite other people, they will earn the same. That's important to understand with the referral program there, but it's just something PrizeRebel pays you if you invite others, and that will be higher the higher level you have. You can see also automatic price processing, so that means that we get to these levels, gold and above there, then you will get paid very quickly. And there's also these special bonuses, so that's a percentage based on your monthly earnings, so you'll get that at the end, and you will also get a discount for certain rewards when you get to these higher levels. So some really great benefits you can get by just staying active. And overall, I have really great experiences with PrizeRebel. As mentioned, I've been a member for many years, and thousands of my followers have also earned from it over the years. So let's now go over how much my followers earn here. So before showing the numbers here, there's one thing, an important misconception I just want to address here, because when I show videos like this here of platforms that I have actually tested, this is one of the first I started testing and that I'm actually using, then sometimes people in the comments say, well, you only earn because you have a big YouTube channel and you refer people. And yes, I earn by referring people because some people appreciate the help I give and they want to support me. It doesn't cost them anything, they will earn the same, and then they want to support me. So yes, I do earn by referring people, but some people say that I can't earn, you're only earning because of that. Well, the thing is that you only earn with a referral program if the people you refer are actually also making money. Because, for example, I showed you here with the different levels inside PrizeRebel that you earn a percentage. So that means, for example, let's say you earn a 15% commission, you have that membership level. If in general your referrals earn $100, you would earn $15, and those $15 would be paid by PrizeRebel. If your followers or the people you invited don't earn anything, you would not earn anything. So that's what people don't understand, and I really wanted to address that, because now I will show you my actual referral earnings, as that proves how much people who have watched my content are actually earning. So I just first wanted to explain how that actually works. So let me now show you here. I have just chosen a month here, an average month in 25 here, and you can see this is my earnings. My membership level, as you can see, was diamond, so that means I would get a 30% commission. So this is 30% of whatever all my followers have then earned. But then let's just see here. So that was 31 days, so we say $439 divided by 31. So you see that means that I have earned just above or around $14 per day in commissions. And as I just showed, my commission rate is 30% here. So if you just look at that here, we would then say, then we would divide this by 0.3 to then see that means $47 that my followers have earned every single day here, because I wouldn't have earned anything if they haven't earned anything. So this actually proves how much my followers are earning here on PrizeRebel, and that PrizeRebel actually pays, not just that I get paid, because as mentioned, some people misunderstand how that works. These are real people that have joined, listened to what I say, watched my content, read my content on my website and joined, and they earn combined $47 per day. Of course, this can vary depending on the month, but this is kind of average. And then in this case here, if you say then how much is that monthly, you see that is 1,463 to be precise, that my followers earned for in this particular month here. So that really shows you that people are making real money, and it definitely can add up. Of course, this comes from many different people, but it just proves that people are actually really earning. And it's not just my followers that earn, there are also other people, and I can show you that by showing the PrizeRebel contest. So let me just also explain those for you. So PrizeRebel have some contests you can go to here, and this means that the top earners every 2 weeks will get some extra rewards. And at the time of recording this, we are kind of halfway through a period, and you can see this is an offer wall contest. So these are the top 5 earners. This person here have earned $55 just from completing offers in that period here, and you can see some of the past winners there. For example, this one actually earned $170 in the previous period and then got an extra prize $16 there. And the second place you saw earned $105. And if we then scroll down, you can see this is a US survey contest, so people in the US that take surveys. If we then look at the past winners, you see last period there, over a 2-week period, someone earned in the US $140, $136, $132 by taking paid surveys and got an extra nice reward for that. But you say, yeah, that's in the US. Well, they also have one for international surveys. And you see that here, and if we go to the past one there, so you see someone actually earned $120 in 2 weeks taking surveys just on one site, just on PrizeRebel. So this shows you both that my followers, how much they are earning, and that other people, these are some of the top earners, this is what they earn, for example, by taking paid surveys and paid offers. But let's now then go over a few tips about how you can earn the most from PrizeRebel, and also how much you overall should expect to be able to earn. So some important ways to make sure you earn the most on PrizeRebel, first of all, is to stay consistent. If you just log in, try one survey, you don't qualify for it, and then give up, of course you will not earn. If you stay consistent, put aside a little bit of time every day, maybe it's 10 minutes some days, maybe it's half an hour. If you log in on your phone, you can use it whenever you have a bit of extra time. The most important is, if you don't put in time, of course you will not earn. So that's one aspect. The second tip is to keep an eye on these contests I just showed you, because sometimes you might be very close to be in the top 10, which gets a reward there, or the top 5 maybe even. So sometimes just taking a few more surveys, completing a few more offers can move you up, and that can give some really great extra bonuses. And then one more tip here is to also use these challenges. You can see there's a 5-day challenge, there's some daily challenges. They will not give you huge extra bonuses, but it can be a way to motivate you, and then you get a few extra points here and there, and it's just can be fun, kind of a gamification where you motivate motivate yourself. And then also keep an eye on their social media, on emails from them, because once in a while they share these bonus codes. You can come in here, you can see there is a promo code, and then you can just redeem them here. And another thing is that it seems some people think that you should only use PrizeRebel, or can only use it for paid service, but as mentioned, they have a lot of these paid offers, and some of them can really boost your earnings. So definitely make sure to check out the paid offers also to boost your earnings. So to sum it all up, PrizeRebel is legit. I have used it for years. I have been paid by it many times. And as you can see, my followers and thousands of other people have also earned from it over the years. In fact, if you scroll down on the website, you can see that they have given out more than $29 million in rewards, and they have more than 15 million members. But it's of course not a way to become rich. I want to make that clear. I showed you what my followers earn combined. That doesn't mean that one person will earn $1,300 a month. That is not really realistic. I showed you some of the top earners, so you can see that maybe some people are earning $200-300 per month, the top earners from just surveys, and then some for the paid offers. But of course that depends on the country you live in. In some countries you might struggle to earn just $1 a day, and in other countries on some days it's definitely realistic to earn $5, $10, $15 even. So it can be a great way to earn a bit of extra money on the side, but you do need to be realistic. It's of course not something you can do for a living or anything like that. But if you want to get started, if you're not a member yet, I will leave my invitation link below so you can go and easily get started. That would also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that. If you prefer reading also, I also do have a written review. I'll also leave a link to that so you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.